See, you wanna lay with dog. While I'm serving and moving and breaking out. Ain't no drinking real raw, so I'm tasting the dope. Every car that I drive got a Glock in the dog.
Oh, I want to go see that thing about a snack shack real quick. So I don't know how good this camera quality is gonna be. There's gonna be clips on the phone and on the camera, so there most likely will be a difference. But it's my first time using the camera, so we're just gonna roll with it and see what it does, and just hope it does decent. Put my phone in this dry box. Put it. Jesus Christ. We need party bomb. His was working. Where are they going right now?
He's going to keep it in full drive.
Oh. The fuck is that? Bro, I think I got fucking sand in my back drum brake.
Hey! My dad said 4,500 for the Outlander.
4,500?
2016 brand, stop. Everything stopped.
45?
That's not a bad deal.
Oh my gosh, bro, I would get it.
That's not a bad deal.
I might fuck with it.
Bro, come on, man.
Dude.
That's a great deal. It's fucking brand new.
Hey, bro. Catch a quarter.
So what?
Bro, I'm gonna cut that out.
What, the cursing? Oh, that'll be alright.
No, don't post that.
Why? It's off. Oh, it's not off. Yeah. I think we're going to Party Pond now, so that's always fun. I have sand in my brake drum, so we'll probably end up doing the brake delete when we get back to the house. Because, I don't like the sound of sand crunching in my brake drum. So we're gonna go ahead and delete that when we get back to the house. We're gonna ride with it for today and just call it a day. Well, looks like we're not going to Party Pond. But Taylor got to pull him back. Whoa! Hold on, cowboy. Jesus Christ. This motherfucker bunny hopping in his damn sand. I don't know if this camera angle is good or whatnot. It should be in this area. I didn't check it before I started filming. So, alright. Now, huh? I should be able to. Watch out, Taylor. now, we should be heading to Party Pond. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get to Party Pond because we've been supposed to be there and we had a few misconceptions, so I'll pick y'all up then. Yeah, well, this is Party Pond. Water's not that cold. I think I'm gonna get a look for how deep this motherfucker is first, to where I'm prepared on what I'm about to do. Cause it don't look too fucking shallow. Jesus Christ. Oh, and it's not shallow whatsoever. Jesus. Let me make sure I'm recording. Oh, I am. Okay. See what we have in it. Oh yeah, she pretty cold, bro.
It'd be alright. I did it with the Can-Am like that. This water's fucking cold.
Yeah, why wasn't it cold at the lake, but it's cold right here? It don't start back up? It don't start back up?
She like riding like you would ride. tires were spinning?
Whole candy all the way, just
All the way back.
Oh, she might, dude. And oh well if she does. Do it over here, bud.
trying to see where my fucking shit's leaking from. It ain't leaking from the lid, because otherwise...
Huh? You want to film for me? What? Did it just die? Hey, I think it just died or something.
That was the screen went off?
Yeah.
Just click the stop button. It's still on.
What top?
It's still on.
Oh, alright. I don't know where to put it.
FYI, my partner was camping. They camping by the big lake, right? By the snack shack. 5:30 this morning, he's out there looking. Fucking gator that motherfucker.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so I'm gonna tell them up to the office because they need to know about it.
Oh, yeah.
The people get in there and need to eat. But if they got one, you know, mama's around there too.
I seen a dead gator trying to cross the road today. Well, it was dead and somebody ran over it.
In water like this,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, you gotta watch it. It's definitely one of the big ponds.
Oh, yeah. Second recovery, homemade mud strap. This is a little Amazon camera. It's just, I just started doing the YouTube.
One of them little cheap ones like
Yeah, it's like 60 bucks.
Yeah. Right or what?
It's, I mean, they've got good quality. It's just like, it's not a GoPro.
Yeah. I don't feel like spending no fucking $600.
Yeah. Maybe when I get to a lot of followers on YouTube, but I'm not going to buy $600 cameras for 100 subscribers.
Right. Yeah, I thought about buying one.
Let's go see what they got going on over here.
I don't know nothing about it.
What?
The white bike?
Oh. Clean the turtle box off. Pretty fun, man. Not shallow, not deep enough to where you can sink your bike unless you don't know what you're doing. No fingers, but yeah. I'm going 25 mile an hour. What y'all know about that? First gear, 25 mile an hour, bro. What's up, bud? Having fun, bud? Oh, we're going on the deep part. Can't take back control of this bitch. Straight back this way. I think I like Party Pond at this depth.
Yeah, I do too. I mean, this crap usually is like maybe right over radius.
Yeah.
Maybe. I love these freaking stats, dude. I gotta get some.
I'm on 33s on switches. No gear reduction.
Are you serious?
None.
No gear reduction.
None.
What do you have?
Ported heads. Built heads. Sling these fucking 33s. 500. Yeah, I'm not even moving, I'm going 30 mile an hour, which y'all know. Hey Taylor,
Hey.
I'm not even moving and I'm going 30 mile an hour.
Hey, that's the one right there.
Huh?
That's the one right there. I gotta feel the screen. I tell them too for $200.
Oh yeah? No, I don't need it.
Your screen is like $250.
I don't need it.
Where's your Wi-Fi?
Preston, go take the GoPro through.
Yeah, put it on. Hey, I don't know how to work that. Go up, is it?
It should.
It's on that way. You know what?
Yeah, that's good.
You just box. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you. What? You don't even know what you just did, but you did something.
What did I do?
I'll tell you later.
Oh yeah. I think I got sand in my yeah, you know. Where, right here? Taylor said he's coming back for his comeback from the vessel video.
What?
He got clipped in the vessel video doing circles in this bitch.
Right, that shit was funny. That was fun though.
Y'all coming through right here or down there? Taylor? Y'all coming right here or down there?
I don't know, because I can't touch the bottom from here. Holy shit. I can. Down the bar right here.
What you doing, bud? You going all the way through? Looks like we're heading back to the truck. No bueno. Jesus Christ. Daddy's a little angry that I sucked my bike. What happened, bro? Hey, Preston. Dude, what happened? What happened, bro?
Your bike?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Let's come over here and take a look. dipstick look like?
That's probably the cleanest oil you ever see in your life, dude. I just changed.
Oh.
Shit. How that taste? Like water?
It's like a lot of water. It's like 1% oil. 1% oil.
All right, bud. Let's go get her on something. All right.
What up, little one? You know I fuck with you, right, nigga? What up, little
She is on sunk.
Nigga, remix, motherfucking remix.
In the video right here, cause I don't feel like bringing a GoPro no more. So I'm gonna throw this in the truck.
Hey, it's locked. It's locked. It's locked.
Where's the thingy?
Put it in the back of the truck. Ain't nobody gonna steal it.
Okay, I'll just put the GoPro back here then. All right, bye guys.